This tiny thing here, I think is the best invention ever for photographers and content creators. Not just for us, but also for everyone that travels, and you will understand why. Because what if I tell you that you can charge your laptop, you can charge your iPad, you can charge your iPhone, your drone, and 2 more devices in over 150 countries with just this travel adapter. This is gonna be my best friend this year, because I'm gonna be traveling a lot with my photography gear and my video gear. I'm gonna be making videos, a lot of travel videos, but at the same time, I'm gonna keep teaching you photography, like I always do on my channel. So make sure to subscribe if you didn't yet, and hit the bell button to don't miss my solo adventures as a photographer. So this being said, with this small adapter, you won't need to bring in your travels all the charging heads and outlets of each device or different travel adapters for each country, which are very bulky and heavy, because this adapter has 4 USB-C ports that offer way faster charging than a normal one, but it has as well 1 USB-A port and an international AC outlet. And that's not everything, because 2 of the USB-C ports offer you up to 100 watts of power, which means that they are powerful enough to charge your bigger devices, such as your MacBook Pro or any laptop you may have. So for example here, if I go to System Report on my MacBook Pro, in the power section, you're gonna be able to see that my laptop is not connected right now to anything. But then when I plug this cable with the travel adapter, you're gonna be able to see in System Report, if you go to power, you'll see now that it's connected and the power is 100 watts. This is the Swift travel adapter from iBlockCube, and it's the first one in the world to offer you 120 watts. So you can perfectly power your laptop and charge another 5 devices at the same time. And how many times do you run out of battery? In your phone or in any device, in your camera or in your drone, and you're about to shoot during golden hour, which is the most beautiful light of the day, with sunrise as well, and you don't have batteries and you don't have time to charge them on time. So the best part of this charger as well is that it's run with GaN technology. So in our own words, basically means that you can fast charge every single device. So for example, you have a chart below in the link I'm gonna put, you have so many references there and all the information, but you can charge a GoPro in 15 minutes or your phone in 18 minutes. And that's crazy, because so many times we need that. And if you are a content creator, you're gonna need that for sure, because many times we are rushing to charge all our devices, we don't have time, we have to go to the next place, and you don't have time to charge the devices, but with this, now you can. And as I mentioned at the beginning, this adapter works in over 150 countries. You just have to press this button here, and you can choose the plug you need for each country you may visit. It has hard stops, that's why you have this button, so the plug doesn't retract, so you don't have to worry about that. You've just seen the European standard, but then you have this one, which is the British one, and then you have this one, which is the Australian, but then when you twist these things, you're gonna be able to convert it in American standard as well. When you get this adapter, it comes as well with a very nice cover for you to protect it in your camera bag or in your suitcase, but it also says that it's drop proof, so you shouldn't worry about that, it's very good quality. And it comes as well with a USB-C to USB-C cable that works as a charger itself, because it offers up to 100 watts, so you can charge your laptop with that cable as well. Till now I've been traveling everywhere with all the cables of my devices, which is fine, but I've been traveling with all the charger heads and outlets and different travel adapters, which is a pain in the ass because they are heavy and they are very bulky. And now I don't have to do that anymore because I have this little beast with me. So you definitely need this if you are like me and you are always bothered about putting all these chargers in your backpack, because camera gear it's fine, video gear it's fine because it's essential. I mean the chargers as well, but you get my point. And considering that just the MacBook Pro charger, for example, is almost 100 quid, this is quite cheap, because you can use this by itself as a charger for the laptop, and then you can charge another 5 devices in the fastest and most efficient way. So this Swift travel adapter from iBlockCube, you're gonna have it available in a link below through Kickstarter. You can back up their project, and for backing it up quite early, you're gonna be able to kick off a 38% discount or even more if you take more than one but for me, I think one is enough, unless you have a lot of gear, that is up to you. And you're gonna be able to see as well there all the characteristics, which are many of them, and it's just insane that it's the first travel adapter in the world offering 120 watts. So being able to charge your laptop with this is already incredible because you can use it everywhere in the world, and also 5 more devices, which is crucial for content creators like me. Comment below anyway you have any questions, because I have the adapter right here, so I would be very happy to answer your questions if you have any doubts. And maybe you want to check out the video about how I pack as a photographer for carry-on only. If you like to travel like me and you're a photographer or content creator, I think this video is going to be very useful if you want to check it out. And again, as usual, subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet, like the video because it does help a lot, and I will see you very soon. Big love.